fucking turn around. You just died.
I love the ragdoll.
Like bouncing down the cliff. Oh fuck. Yeah, it went
He
like
landed
straight
right
up.
next to me. All of a sudden I see his body just ragdoll right next to mine.
No, you bitch.
This is so stupid. Oh.
Holy shit, I went really far in that one.
Oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh, no, no.
Ay.
Oh god, no, no, no. No!
Later, bitch.
User left your channel.
Oh my god.
Oh no, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die.
Oh god damn it. I was so close. I know I hit you once.
Holy shit, who's that? Yeah, this is an open space you can actually run around.
Bitches.
Try and press B. Now you cunt.
Sorry. You didn't go that far.
Because you shot me in the ass. You gotta aim
That
for the
usually
nuts.
makes you explode.
Oh, fuck you.
I don't even know where I am now. Holy shit, I went high up. Whoa. Oh, you bitch. I think
That's
we'll
the end
respawn
of
at the
that.
beach now. Oh, God.
Oh, with the crater. You son of a bitch. I landed further. I win. Did you see that giant fucking crater?
Yeah, yeah. Damn, I really thought y'all would respawn faster than that. Wow, I made it to the water. Are y'all at the beach?
Holy
yet?
shit, I am far. My guy was like pinwheeling around.